Hello friends, welcome to my channel Iktaindians. Today I am going to share with you most popular, a healthy and tasty summer drink recipe for your beloved kids and family, mango milkshake, in very easy and simple way. Mango milkshake is a cool and tempting fruit drink. However, for those who are looking for something different, there are few tips and serving ideas in this video which can simply make it a divine experience in every sip. Here I take 2 sweet ripe mangoes which I have already peeled and cut it into small pieces. I also take 2 cups chilled milk, 4 tablespoons powdered milk, pinch of black salt. Since the mangoes I used were very sweet and I also used powdered milk, so I did not use sugar separately. But you can use sugar if you need it. Then I take a blender jar and transfer all the pieces of mangoes in the jar. Then I am adding 2 cups of liquid milk. After that I add 4 tablespoons milk powder and pinch of black salt and mix them nicely. Now I cover the lid and blend all the things very well. After that I open the lid of the blender jar and stir it nicely. The mixture has been blended very well. Mango milkshake is ready to serve. Now I serve chilled mango milkshake with 3 different serving ideas. Now I put 1 scoop of mango ice cream in each serving glass. Then I poured the milkshake in each glass very carefully. After that, I put some mango pieces in each glass. It would be great to serve mango milkshake on this serving idea. I have prepared other 2 glasses of mango milkshake with some mango pieces. This is second serving idea. I take another 2 glasses of mango milkshake and garnished it with chopped dry fruits. If you wish, you can use ice cubes. I hope you like my today's mango milkshake recipe, which I prepare in very easy and simple way with 3 different serving ideas. You must try at your home. I'm sure you will love it very much. It will be a nice treat for your family. Thank you so much for taking out your valuable time and watching my video. It means a lot to me. I really do hope that you will enjoy watching my recipe for sure. I need your support, so please like and share my recipe and do subscribe to my channel and give your valuable support to my channel. I will see you soon in my next video with some new recipe. Till then, be safe, be healthy and enjoy cooking. Bye bye.